give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way.
Welcome everyone, I'll be showing you how I did this simple DIY today that anyone can do. So the items needed are spray paint or acrylic paint. I used specifically metallic gold to give it a bit of a pop. You need Mod Podge, which is what you will use to stick the photo to the canvas. I used specifically the gloss one. I got it in Fantana, as well as that black brush in my hand is a sponge brush that I got from Michael's. I know that Amazon sells them. So that's me showing you the spray paint. So first you need to spray paint the canvas. I spray painted the edges and then I went and did the sides as well to just give it a bit of a pop. Once I add the photo to it, it will just give it a sleek, chic look. You can use any color spray paint or acrylic paint that you like, but I wanted that gold to give a bit of a pop to my room, to where I'll be putting it. So you spray paint it and you leave it to dry, and once it's dry, then you can start to add your photo. So that's after I finished adding it and it's dried, then I'll start to add my photo to the canvas. So next thing you'll do is to add the Mod Podge to the canvas. Ensure that you add a spraying amount. I then started to add the photo to ensure that I was getting the correct size in, putting it from edge to edge and adding the Mod Podge as I stated. Ensure that you put a good amount so that it does not lift the photo. I had to go back and add more as I did not put enough initially. So that's me just adding the Mod Podge to the picture, to the canvas, to ensure that it's done properly and it sticks. So this is what I was stating, that you should ensure you add enough Mod Podge, because I had to go back because the breeze was blowing and there was not enough at the back. So I had to bend down to add the Mod Podge directly to the back of the photo. So I poured it on it and then I used the brush to add it. Ensure there are no bubbles in it. Just pour it as you would with regular paint basically. It's not so thick, but ensure you brush it up properly so it gives a smooth, flat finish when you add the photo to the canvas. Next, you're gonna add the Mod Podge directly to the front of the photo after you finish adding it, and ensure that it's sticking from all corners. What this does is it gives it that painting look that you're going for. So I brush in one direction. So first I brushed it horizontally and I ensured that it covered all areas, and that's me brushing in one direction because as I stated it will show. Then I lift it up and I also brushed vertically, so it gave it that nice chic painting look that you're going for, because remember it's a print. And I use the gloss because as I stated, so once it dries it does not look like that. So that is the finished look and I absolutely love how it came out. If you like it, then like, share, comment and subscribe to see more videos like this.